Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure credit card options with HSBC easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your HSBC online banking account. Navigate to the main dashboard of your account. Look for the Accounts section in the menu. Select credit cards from the drop-down options. Once on the credit card page, find the option labeled Manage Your Credit Card. Click on it to access the credit card management features. Look for Credit Card Options or Settings in the list. Select this option to proceed with configuration. Here, you will see various settings you can adjust. To set up alerts, find the Alerts and Notifications section. Enable the alerts you want to receive, such as payment due reminders or spending summaries. Next, check the Payment Options section. You can choose to set up automatic payments or modify your current payment method. If you want to add a new payment method, click on Add Payment Method. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment information. After setting your payment options, proceed to configure your spending limit. Find the option for Credit Limit Management. Review your current limit and select Request Change if you need to adjust it. Enter the desired new limit and submit your request. Next, check any rewards or benefits related to your credit card. This may include cashback options, travel rewards, or discounts. Make selections according to your preferences. Finally, review all changes you have made. Ensure that you save each setting before exiting the page. Log out of your HSBC account securely after finishing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.